In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list on Apollo.io. Managing your lists effectively is crucial for keeping your workspace tidy and ensuring that your database remains relevant. Deleting outdated or unnecessary lists can help streamline your operations, and today I will walk you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Apollo.io's homepage. Once you're on the Apollo.io platform, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not currently logged in, you'll need to enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the homepage, which is the starting point for navigating the site. Next, look for the Lists tab. Typically, this tab is located on the left-hand side menu of your dashboard. Clicking on Lists will bring up all the lists you've created or have access to. Here you can view the existing lists and decide which ones are no longer needed. Now, it's time to select the list or lists you wish to delete. Hover your cursor over the list that you no longer require. Be sure you're selecting the correct ones because once they're deleted, you will not be able to retrieve them. In Apollo.io, lists may contain crucial data and contacts, so double check before proceeding to the next step. After you've confirmed which list needs to be deleted, you'll find an option to delete. Typically, this can be found by clicking on a menu or drop down associated with the list you've selected. Look for a trash bin icon or a delete button. Click on this to initiate the deletion process. It's a simple but significant step that requires attention to ensure that you are keeping your database clean and organized. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision to delete the list. Apollo.io does this to prevent accidental deletions. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm the deletion. This is your last chance to review your choice. If you're sure the list is no longer needed, go ahead and click Confirm. This action will permanently remove the list from your account. That's it, you've successfully deleted a list on Apollo.io. Keeping your lists up to date and removing those that are redundant will help enhance your productivity by allowing you to focus on relevant and active contacts. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you're managing lists on Apollo.io. Remember, efficient list management is key to maintaining a clean and effective workspace. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.